Hello guys! Hello guys, it's Anton from Coding Rich. In today's video we will talk about on how to use the dev mode in Figma again without paying for it. So last year I've been working with Figma for free, I didn't pay anything and I could use the dev mode, but now I try to use it again. I'm working on a cashback website and I noticed, hey, the dev mode button isn't working and it tells me to pay for it. And I've seen some solutions on YouTube which said you have to try to pretend that you're a student and say you go to university and thus get it for free. It may work. I cannot recommend this because it's illegal, it's fraud, and most likely they will not care, but still, just don't do it. It's not good. I found a different solution. Like, I want to inspect the elements and know what they look like and how to program them. And you can still see that the basic things like I have a picture, I need it, I can export it on the right side. Such basic things are still possible. But if it goes more into the detail, like what is this box or this box, how are the elements aligned, like I need to know the details. What you can do here is you can simply inspect that element, like clicking on it, and then simply copy paste and then copy as code and then as CSS, and then you will get the properties which you usually have on the right side. Like I copied it just now. Let me delete this. Hoppa. And now you can see it's display flags, column, blah blah, padding, the gap between the elements, the width, the height of this box which I marked. Yes, and with those elements now you can work and do some things. That's the one thing. Now I want to see what is the distance between single elements, but I cannot really click them. In order to inspect some little element or some specific element, you have to hold the control key and then use the left mouse click. For example, here I click on email and I still don't see the distance between the elements now. At least email is selected, and now you have to hold the Alt key. And when holding it, without pressing anything else, you can see the distance between the elements surrounding, like same as in dev mode. And by using those things and copying as SVG, as PNG, as CSS, you can also do your things as before and you don't need to pay for dev mode anymore. Okay, hope I could help you. If you have questions, please let me know and leave a like if you liked it or if you don't like it. Anyways, goodbye, thank you.